how to get straight edges without any holes at the end. Now this technique requires action at the end and beginning of each row. So at the end of your row you will yarn over, insert your hook into the last stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and go through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch and pull up another loop. Yarn over and go through 2 loops. Yarn over and go through the last 3 loops. Now chain 2 and turn. At the beginning of a new row, you will simply put 1 double crochet into the very first stitch. Once you've done that, you can continue crocheting your double crochets and you will end up with a really nice straight edge without any holes at side.